Hey buddy, welcome to Old Rascal Garage. CB here, old Charlie Bravo. This is my OBS 96 F-150 I've been working on. Go back and look, I've done a couple of little videos on it where I acquired it, and been getting a few little things running. I'm gonna try a little short shakedown run, maybe to the dump, see what it'll do. I know it's probably gonna need tires. I don't know how brakes are okay on it, but I just want to see how it runs because I ain't drove it nowhere but from the yard over there to here, and that was been back up a year ago. So I'm gonna try to get it out on the road a little bit and see how to do on a short shakedown. Come along, hang out with me. Look at that goofball. Maverick. Damn, about fell over. Yeah, we put the new windshield in it. We got some new wiper blades on it. Had a little video where I cleaned some of that crap off that hood, but I still got to get it off the top. Tires and all look pretty good on it for now. They're about squared off. Rides like a square wheel wagon. Anyway, I figured what better time for a little road trip. About a week. See what she'll do. Kind of hesitated a little bit, didn't you? Yeah, I still got to get that water pump fixed, or that idler pulley. One of them still making a noise out there, but it don't run hot. My oil gauge, still have to tap on it to get it to work, and my water pressure will come up. The water temperature gauge. Alright, let's beat the rain, see if we can make it there and back. First little road trip for the OBS Ford. Stand by. Brakes feel okay on it. Probably need some for long. The tires are squared. Got a little bounce to it. They probably squared just on one side. You know what I mean? There's one shift. Tell when we get out on the road here. See how she shifts. There's one. Two. Three. She shifts out pretty good. Gotta keep an eye on my junk in the back. I don't need nothing flying out. I ain't gotta go too far like that. Down paper. Maybe about 5 miles. Try to beat the rain. Yeah, she's gonna need some tires and brakes. Pretty bad. Steering's not too bad. Speedometer works. Boat gauge and the fuel gauge works. OBS FORD don't run bad. Well, we made it. Alright. Paid a little fee there. Keep going up $1 or $2 every month. That rat hole up in there smells like pure crap. Glad we ain't got to go up in there. Got my wing window open. All right, we made it. Get ready to throw this crap off into the... Yeah, we empty. We got plenty of room. Alright, let me get this thing unloaded. We'll be back in a minute. Alright, we got her emptied out. Got all the junk thrown off of it. A lot of them old boxes from the wedding. Yeah. So we're good. Make sure I shut the tailgate. That thing weighs a ton. A little short road trip for the OBS. A little shakedown run. We'll see how she runs now. We can feed her the onion a little bit. Yeah, I ain't got crap blowing all out on people, pissing them off. Alright, stand by. Pretty good. We're running 50 there. Just a little wobble. Feel like it's in them tires though. The steering wheel's not moving that much. I think it's more wore out tires. Get some more on it, she'll ride good. 5.0, 302. Still running good. I don't know what he's stopping for. He ain't got to stop. Good. Brakes feel pretty good on it. Old girl run pretty good. A little short shakedown run to the dump, but yeah, I think she'll be alright. We'll get some tires and brakes on her. Do some little odd and end stuff. I gotta finish cleaning it up. We'll try a little longer road trip next time. But I'm gonna do it for the old 96 OBS Ford. I like that old truck. Ford tough. Thanks for watching. Come back and watch us again. Appreciate it.